Welcome to our Generative AI series. Today, we are demystifying a core concept behind modern AI, autoregressive models. If you have ever wondered how tools like ChatGPT actually write sentences, this is the mechanism that makes it happen. We will explore how machines learn to generate content one piece at a time. Let's start with a simple definition. An autoregressive model is a type of AI that predicts the next element in a sequence based on what came before it. Think of it like a chain. The model looks at the previous links to decide what the next link should look like. It does not write a whole paragraph at once. It builds it step by step, using the past to inform the future. The core operation is predicting the next token. A token can be a word, part of a word, or even a character. In this example, if the input is, "the cat sat on the model predicts mat. Once mat is generated, it gets added to the input, and the model runs again to predict the period. This loop continues until the model decides the thought is complete. Crucially, the model doesn't just guess one word. It calculates a probability score for every single word in its vocabulary. Here, you can see that apple has an 85% chance of being the next word, while umbrella is unlikely. The model usually picks the winner, but not always, as we will see later. You might hear the term context window. This is the model's short-term memory. It is the maximum amount of text the model can look back at to make its prediction. If a story is too long, the beginning falls out of the window, and the model effectively forgets it. Everything inside the window helps guide the next prediction. We can control the model's personality using a setting called temperature. Low temperature makes the model conservative. It always picks the most likely word, making it good for math or coding. High temperature allows it to take risks and pick less likely words, which can result in more creative, surprising, or poetic outputs. You are likely already using these models. The GPT series, which powers ChatGPT, is the most famous example. The Llama models from Meta are another popular example, widely used in the open-source community. Even coding assistants like GitHub Copilot use Autoregression to complete your code line by line. These models are powerful, but they have trade-offs. Their biggest strength is coherence. They write very fluently. However, because they generate one token at a time, they can be slower than other types of models. Also, if they make a mistake early on, that mistake becomes part of the context, potentially leading to hallucinations or completely incorrect facts down the line. To wrap up, remember these 4 points. Autoregressive models build content sequentially. They operate on probabilities to predict the next token. Temperature controls their creativity. And finally, their output feeds back into them as new input. This simple loop is what powers the incredible AI applications we see today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.